Good morning, everybody. It's a Sunday morning. Figured I'd come out here in the shop for a few minutes and do a quick video of this cool tool that I don't know, I just love this tool. It's whenever you're doing a lot of holes or um, you know, odd shapes like maybe like ovals or something, you don't have a mill. This tool right here that I got, air over hydraulic hole punch. I know that, a lot of people are like, oh, I can't afford any of this stuff. It's too expensive. A big old press, $20,000, $10,000 or whatever, or an iron worker, which is another, 20 grand, can do multiple things. But, for somebody in their garage or, a small shop, this is a very inexpensive way to go. This is under $400 for this tool, for this whole thing right here. It comes with 3 dies, okay? And I'll show you all the dies. It comes with a 3/8, a 1/2 inch, and a 5/8 die, hole punch. And also the hose and the foot pedal, okay? All you have to do is have an air compressor at home. If you have an air compressor at home, then you can buy this and use this in your garage all day long. So it was under $400 actually. It was like $385 for everything. So for under $400, you can have a tool that is literally will punch holes for you. And I use it for 3/16 and 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch. I don't know that it's going to do anything thicker than that. I mean, it might, for the smaller holes, it probably could go through some 5/16. I haven't tried that yet, but today we're going to do some 3/16 and some 1/4 inch to show you that this can go through it no problem. I also have bought a couple of these. I haven't used them yet. Oval dies. So this one is a 1/2 inch wide by 3/4 long. And this one is 5/8 wide by 3/4 long. Now, the thing that I liked about this, and the reason why I got it, is that there's literally hundreds of dies that you can get for this. The dies aren't the cheapest, obviously, but, if you only need a few for what you're doing, it's well worth it. I think these dies right here were, about 25 or 30 bucks or so, right around, it's the same price for a good hole saw, really. And a hole saw won't last that long. So, and it takes forever. So this is a great way to go. And they don't make a hole saw in oval. You can also get oval, square, rectangle. They make every design size that you can imagine. There's hundreds of different dies you can get for this machine on Amazon, which is, it makes it so worth it. So it's super versatile. I'll show you a little thing right here real quick. This one is a Vevor, obviously. It's probably, Chinese brand, I'm sure. But this thing is made of cast and it is super heavy duty. This thing is a beast. And it's super easy to use. Everything, shows you everything here in millimeters and stuff like that. But plate thickness, 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter on this one. So that'll tell you right there how thick you can go. Okay, so 1/4 inch is pretty much what it's supposed to be. This thing, it's really simple to use. Really simple. This little screw thing here, I don't know if you can see that. This unscrews. Put the top die in there. The bottom one drops in. Set screw. And you're ready to roll. This little plate it comes with, after you punch the hole, you just set this in there, and when you release the pressure for it to come back up, it just puts it just keeps the material stays down, so that way it doesn't drag it up and mess up your die. So that's pretty much it. I made the stand. It doesn't come with the stand, obviously. I made the stand so I could roll it around. And I made it this high just because I like to be able to see right in what I'm working on. I don't want it way down here on a bench where I can't see good. The other thing on these dies is they'll have self-centering dimple on it to set it up. So once you you take your hole punch and center punch it, these just line right up on there. Boom, perfect with your material, so your hole's dead straight, and that's pretty much it. So I'm not going to do every die. I have 6 of them. Obviously, I made a thing to hold these 3. I bought 3 new ones, so clearly I need to make another thing to hold these. I haven't done that yet. I just got these. So, but with that being said, I'm going to go through, I'll do a 1/2 inch hole, and then I'll do it through 3/16. I'll do it through the 3/16 and the 1/4 inch. And then I'll do, I'm going to do this big 3/4 inch oval, and I'm going to see if it'll go through 1/4 inch. I'm not sure if it will or not, but I'm going to give it a shot today, and we'll find out together whether it works or not. And you guys can check it out and see if this will be something that works for you. All right, so I'll show you how to start with these. So we'll start with the 1/2 inch hole. That's pretty standard. A lot of people like 1/2 inch. So we'll go with that first. So basically, literally, you just take the bottom part of the die, you just drop it right in the hole right there. Just tighten the set screw, hold it in place. I made a little thing to hold it, just drop that in there, boom. Top one, you just unscrew the top piece right there. Just like this. It just sits up inside of this. You literally just thread it back on there by hand. Doesn't take any special tools, and that's it. You're done. Your die is in. That's how fast you can change the dies. So it's very quick. It doesn't take all day to change dies. All right. Set that up right there. Okay, we're going to start with the piece of 3/16 first. Just regular flat bar, mild steel. And as long as your foot pedal. And the foot pedal that it comes with is awesome because it's reversible. So once you hammer down on it, punch your hole, you click it back the other way with your foot, and it lifts it back up. So it's a two-way. So basically that's it. So we'll punch a hole here. We'll just get started. So once the hole punches out, you just stick the little piece, this little bracket, you just stick it right there, just hold it there, and you release the pressure, and it just holds it so it pops back up. That's it. Boom. There you go. Like butter. Take a little WD-40. I should have done that on the first one. I always spray these. I didn't do that on the first one. I should have. Spray these down with some lubricant so that way it doesn't, they last longer, obviously, So you can use anything, WD-40, whatever kind of lubricant you want. Okay, this is 1/4 inch, same die. 1/2 inch. Through 1/4 inch, like no problem whatsoever. All right, now let's go with, we're gonna try this other. Okay, we're gonna change the die. Oops. Dropping stuff everywhere. Change the die out real quick. To get this one out, I just take a little hook tool, pull it up, take it out. It's that simple. Top one, unscrew, drops out, and it's that simple. It's pretty easy. Obviously, it doesn't take much time at all to do any of this stuff here. So this one that we're going to use, this one is a 1/2 inch. Oh no, I'm sorry, 5/8 width. So it's 5/8 width by 3/4 inch long on this, so that you can see it. So that way you have a slotted hole. Okay, so they make them in all different sizes. So let's drop this one in there. Obviously, you need to line it up straight for whatever, whenever you're doing your actual part. But right here, you can just toss it in there real quick. We're not trying to center anything on this. We're just showing some demonstration stuff. So just pop it in there, line it up, eyeball it. When you're doing your part, you're going to just need to make sure that these are lined up. If you don't line this up, obviously it will interfere with the bottom. So just bring this down slowly. Until they line up. Put it down inside that hole, tighten that up, release it. Okay. We'll do 3/16 first. Sorry, it's a little loud. My compressor is kicked on. Now you know why you need this tool. I didn't stick it in there. It doesn't come back up and pop it off of there, right? Perfect. Just pops it through like butter. It's like nothing. Got it? Okay, so now we're going to do the, this was 1/4 inch thick. The other one was 3/16. This is now 1/4. We'll see if this pops through there. Stick that in there, release, pops it right out, boom, through 1/4 inch. Grab the other one. Okay, we'll change this die out real quick. So now we're going to do the 3/4 inch. This is the one I want to see. It's going to go through this or not. It's pretty big. It's a big hole. I'm assuming it will since they sell these dies for it, right? But you never know. The bottom one in, same thing. And it's really easy to change. These are super simple to change. I mean, it's really, a couple of seconds and you can change the dies out. All right. Okay, here we go. 3/16. We have a 3/4 inch hole press, hole punch in there. Scoot this up a little bit. Slide your little piece in there. 3/16 is like nothing. I mean, just literally like butter. It's crazy. Okay. 1/4 inch. I don't know. We'll see. It's a big hole to punch in. If it punches through this with 1/4 inch, it's more than worth its money just for that alone. Dang. Popped right through there. Takes a little bit of pressure, you can hear, but no problem, it does it. So there you have all the 3 different sizes right there. So now, let's see. These are big holes to be punching in this stuff. So as you can see, what we've done here is 1/4 inch plate. We popped all 3 sizes through that, all 3 sizes through 3/16. Like I said, this machine, it's under 400 bucks. This is something that's super affordable, time saving, put in your garage. Another thing that I like about it is that if you're doing a lot of dimple dies on small things, you can poke your hole in it so fast with this thing, and you poke all your holes in it. And then I have another tool, another press that I'll show you that I use for my dimple dies. So you could literally poke a whole bunch of holes when you're using your smaller size dimple dies. for this and do it super quick. This is just a great way to go for that. And for all the fabrication, you know how it is. You're making a slotted hole. You need something to move. You just poke a hole through this in 2 seconds and you're done. So this was all purchased on Amazon. That's what I would tell you guys if you want to go purchase it on there. I'm sure you can type it in, you know, anywhere else, but it's a CH70 Vevor punch tool. So if you check that out, and then you get the, I'll show you the hose right there. Is all your part number for the hose. Super simple. And when it pops up, it usually gives you the option for all this stuff on there. Unplug it real quick. Same thing for this. Air-powered hydraulic foot pump model 2510A. So, I mean, this will definitely does the job. So hopefully you like this video of something that's kind of quick and easy tool purchase that you can put in your shop to put to use right away. Doesn't take a lot of skill and learning. Just make sure you don't put your fingers in there. And I forgot to do the one time, but make sure you use this piece whenever you go back up, because it just pops the material out at the bottom, so it doesn't. You saw it kind of went up crooked when you don't do that. And it's pretty simple, you know, just mount it to your bench or whatever you're going to do, and you're ready to rock. So anyway, hopefully you liked the video. Likes or comments, throw in there. If there's something you want to see, I'll demonstrate or whatever. I'm more than willing to go back on and do that for you. So smash that subscribe button if you like it, like any of the stuff we're doing. This is just the very beginning of me doing a lot of stuff on my channel, building custom cars. I do some custom artwork also, but this is for anything right here. It doesn't matter what you build. This is a great thing to have in your shop. Think about it. A good snap-on drill costs more than this machine does, just for the drill. A good set of drill bits costs more than this machine does too. So it's worth it. Again, you get the 3 dies, you get the whole punch tool, the hose, and the foot pedal all together for under $400. So anyway, hope you like it. Have a good rest of your day. Take care.